Alright, I blew a tire on the trailer. Here we go. This sucks. I don't have a spare, so we're gonna get the impact and pull it off. We still have about 650 miles to go. We're running down to the socket is 13/16. If you want to get the job done, you always have to have the Milwaukee. We're gonna pick up the lugs. I don't need to put them on. Just pick them up. We gotta have 6. That's 6. Get the impact. Throw the impact in the truck. Lug nuts in there. Here we go. We got about 650 miles to go. We're gonna make it.